Hi everyone, it's Lida with Instrumental SLP. I wanted to talk to you about some free resources for your home speech exercises for aphasia. So the first one you'll see on the screen is aphasiatherapyonline.com. And when you're searching, what I type in is free aphasia therapy online. And this is the first one that pops up. Okay, when you get to the home button, this is what you'll see. You'll see the menu. So it's almost like our Tactus apps, except this is just a browser version and it's free. So we're gonna click on naming. That's gonna be our first one. Name pictures out loud. If you really have trouble talking, then you could try typing the name, right? Okay, so we're gonna click on that. This one is giving us this number. So you could say the number 3. If you can't think of it and you need some help, you can click on this question mark. 2 + 1. Well, that might not help you. So I clicked on it again, and now it gives you 1, 2, 3. That's right. So if you get it correct, you just push this green check mark.
3.
Okay, here's the next one. What do you think this is? If you're not sure, we're going to push the question mark. And it says, use it to buy things. Now, if you have trouble reading, this is going to be difficult. So with our Tactus apps, we have a variety of cues underneath that help you be more independent in your use of that app, in that exercise. With this one, I'm not seeing any option to have it read it out loud to you or to give you any other sound cues or anything like that. So use it to buy things. If you can't read, you should have a partner help you with this. They can read that out loud, okay? And then if you can think of it, money, then they'll do the check mark. Okay, let's go back to home and we're gonna really quickly look at reading. So you're going to click this first one and then you've got your word right here at the top. You have to choose the picture that matches that word, okay? Again, this is a written word and it says 6. So you have to choose that picture that has the number 6 on it. Last one, here we go. What word is that? You guessed it, it's the one on the left. It's that phone. Okay, we're gonna go back home. Spelling. So this would need for you to be able to type on the keyboard, right? What's his job? He's a doctor. And I just pushed enter. So if you can type, this is a great option for you. Okay, what is this a picture of? Starts with a letter C, I think. Let's see. Let's see if I'm right. There we go. Perfect. Last one. What is this? Starts with a W. Water. That's right. Okay, so the spelling, that's the spelling one. And we'll go to listening.
Heart.
So they're going to say the word out loud for you, and you have to choose which one here they said.
Gun.
Gun. And it'll advance itself. You just have to wait.
Money.
There you go. And then it said it again. So that's how you kind of go through and you can use this online resource to just practice, right? We're all looking for ways to practice and get better, and this is a really great resource. Okay, that's it for me. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.